doing? We got Mr. Dundee.
So, that isn't an advert.
Tell us where you're going to meet.
Where there's the big giant roundabout.
Sail? The roundabout with the sail on?
No, I'm getting out there.
Just on the beach there, just past that there, there'll be a coffee bar. We'll meet you there.
Okay.
If you're running on the blue path, which starts over there, but I'm going to be on the Esplanade, which is on the right. So down there, if you want to get off and run on the Esplanade, you'll soon pick me up with the road.
That's all crooked as yours. Hi. I need to get ready.
I should record you.
Ready?
Ready, set, go.
Oh yeah, that is a pretty tree. So we are running in
We travelled a whole total of
Estepona.
12 miles.
This is just our daily run though, Estepona. It's nice, nice cool temperature, sunny, apart from the chainsaw there. Ooh. Oh, look at this path. We should so be running along that path.
Andrew,
What?
the little path to get down.
What?
This would be nice to live. It's
I think this does look like a hotel. I think this is a hotel, isn't it?
along the beach if you want.
Yeah, sand. You just have to get gravel out of your...
Sand. Sand.
Like a little exploration run in Estepona. A bit more exploration. Oh, what's that? And oh, it's this car park we've been in. Oh, in front of the muddy car park.
Yeah.
Come to the
Oh, we
The
can tell them
market.
about that cute little drive. That cute little walk.
yeah.
There's no one you can't.
If you come to the market and it's full, you need to park here, so they can just come down this road. There we go, into the port now. There are some boats somewhere along there. It's just being embarrassing and finding a matte car. I went and talked to the- Well, you found it, but I went and talked to the guy and Lucy's waiting there. So embarrassing. But I did get a photo of it, so.
Yeah, you went up and took a photo, and then the guy spotted you taking a photo of his car.
He smiled, he liked it. We also have to have brakes, Lucy, remember? You look. Dad, have a lovely coffee.
I've had a lovely coffee. Now I'm going for churros for my breakfast.
Did you have to do it in the Birmingham accent? Are you part of the Peaky Blinders?
No, I'm Kingpin, I am.
That is really long. Are you ready for all that? Very long. Good. Very good. Where are we going now? Tour guide of Estepona.
Orchidarium. We're going now to the Orchidarium. Well, it's somewhere where you three are going. It's a bit far for me to walk.
Oh look, yeah. having a deja vu that walking around something in my sportswear, like when we were in New York. Go for a run and end up out. Yeah, this is really nice. Ready? Oh, there's lots of people. Plants, you can actually see an insect in there. I don't know if you can just about. There's an ant. And then it's being eaten by the plant. Yummy. Walking around this corner to the waterfall. I've just turned it on. And the other one. Those school children are loving it. Not quite as much as Mum's loving it though. Scream, you're gonna get wet. You probably can't hear us at all. Hard at work. That's your type of plant then?
Spotted.
This is what we're going to do on the garage then? A hanging wall of plants.
And do we need to walk that way?
On the sand?
I know, I didn't realise it was sand.
Is this so I go, whoop, whoop, whoop?
Caribbean sand, that
Is it really?
colour, yeah.
Oh, I've never been, Mum.
No, it's whiter than that.
What are these? Well, you could explain. What are these
No, I thought we
spiky...
were Dad to tell us what it is.
They've got like spikes on them.
Dinosaur trees.
And they've been cut, but they've still got spikes on them. What are they?
Reptile trees crawling along.
Really weird. That was the Orchidarium. It was very good. I would recommend it. Getting very cultural, you see. And these must be.
Sevilla oranges for marmalade.
Do you want one? I can't quite reach.
You can put one down and try it.
I can't quite reach it.
You only need to grow about.
Go. Come on, Dundee. Back now. So do you know what nice we're going to cook on the barbie then?
We've only got 4 veggie burgers.
Is that it?
Yeah.
I'm sure we can some veg on it.
Yeah, we're going to do veg. What do you want to do it?
Share if you like. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Yesterday we went shopping. We bought some presents in the form of a skipping rope, a knee brace for the pirate, bands for you, so you can boop, 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 knee strengthening stuff. See if I can still skip.
More like your balls. I might wear them.
This ravioli. Ooh, what's this? What? Oh, what's this? Curry. Chicken curry. From Birmingham. All mine.
Quite a lot.
I have to explain that all the running and the running around is because of step counting devices, and we've all been having competitions about who gets the most, and today I've been the winner, whereas yesterday Lucy was the winner. But Mom has to get 10,000 steps every day. I think it's now time for bed. Although there was a funny story from earlier where we sat in a restaurant and we had a drink and we looked at the menu and thought, this doesn't look very nice. So we just sat and had a drink, even though many waiters came over and said, oh, this table's for eating, yeah, this table is for eating. Well, we don't care. We only want to drink. We don't like the menu, basically. We were going to choose. But it was also extremely expensive. One of the most value things on there was a cheeseburger for €18, but it was a cheeseburger with foie gras. €18? So no. I went to have some Japanese food instead. Oh yes. Good night.